Good morning students. Today we will start our workshop practice class first module, that is carpentry section job. As you are unable to come to practice with the equipments or the hand tools, I will myself and senior instructor C.K. Maharana sir, we will demonstrate you today what to do, how you will use these hand tools and how you will prepare carpentry section jobs. As per your syllabus, you have to produce slot, mortise, notch and tenon to prepare different wood joints. These wood joints are required in preparing different furnitures. As you have already seen in your home appliances, chairs, tables, we don't use nails. Rather, we use these wood joints to connect different parts of furniture. So now I am going to show you the actual object, that is the 3D view, as well as the 2D drawing of these slot, mortise, notch and tenon. So you can see this is the slot. So slot is a hole of required amount, as you can see this side. So here another piece, as I am showing my finger, can be kept in tight fitting so that there will be a joint. Similarly, this hole is notch. So you will given the actual dimension of this notch, what is the length of the notch and what is the width, or in this direction what will be the height of the notch. So if you get the length and the height, you have to cut it to prepare this notch. So this is the slot, this is the notch, and this side, this projection, while we are removing the wood from two sides as per the dimension given, we will get a tenon. So this portion is the tenon. So tenon will be fixed inside a slot, or this is the mortise. So mortise is similarly another rectangular hole as per the dimension. So if we fix the tenon inside the mortise, then it will be a mortise tenon joint. You can see this is the mortise, inside which a tenon is fixed, by virtue of which you are getting a T-joint. So these two parts is joined by means of a mortise and tenon joint, which can be used as a part of the furniture. And if the tenon will be joined inside a slot, then another slot and tenon joint will be obtained. And if we join two notches, you see this is a notch, this is another notch. So these two notches, if we join, we will get a half lap joint. So we have to prepare this slot, notch, mortise and tenon. Then using these figures, we can obtain different type of wood joints. So now I will explain you in 2D figure. You can see this is the plan and this is the elevation. Elevation is the front view, plan is the top view. You see the figure, from where you can know this is the plan. This is that portion, this is the slot. So this portion is the mortise, then this portion is the notch and this portion is the tenon. So before showing you the actual practice, now you have undergone what is these figures, and you can see the dimensions are given in millimeter. So what are the tools and equipments required to obtain this type of joint or these figures? The tools and equipments are steel rule, tri-square, marking gauge, mortise gauge, iron jack plane, tenon saw, farmer chisel, mortise chisel and mallet. And the equipment is carpentry workbench with carpentry vise and carpentry bench hook. So now I am explaining these tools and equipments, after which sir will demonstrate you the practice. You can see this is your workpiece and this is the workbench and this is the bench vise. So what is the difference between this fitting vise and the carpentry vise? You have already worked with fitting vise. Now you see this is the wood plank. So these two wood planks are fitted to smoothen the wooden job to carry out. So this is the carpentry vise. This is the workbench and that is the bench top. So with the help of this bench top, you can saw your workpiece. So you can keep the workpiece here and with the help of the tenon saw. So this is the tenon saw. You can cut your workpiece. And after cutting the workpiece, you have to fit the workpiece in the vise. So you see that now we have to take the workpiece up to the dimension you require and you have to fit it in the vise. So with the help of bench top and tenon saw, you have prepared your sized wood, that is the workpiece. Now first you have to plane the surface. To plane the surface, we are using a iron jack plane. So iron jack, with the help of iron jack plane, the surface is planed. So this is the figure of the iron jack plane, and you have seen how to use the iron jack. Next you have to use the tri-square to find out the rectangle 90 degree, whether it is 90 degree or not. So once it is obtained, next you have to measure either with the help of steel rule or with the help of, this is a 2 feet 4 fold wooden rule. So you can see this is 1 feet and this is 1 feet and it can be 4 fold. You can fold it 4 times. So 2 feet 4 fold wooden rule or steel rule. So once the linear dimension is measured, next you have to mark the dimension of the slot. So this is the marking gauge. You can see this the pin. With this pin you can mark on the wood surface. So this is there to adjust to maintain the dimension where you require to mark. Now with the help of marking gauge, you can mark on the surface of the wood. If you have to cut a mortise, then instead of using this marking gauge, you use this mortise gauge. So what is the difference between marking gauge and mortise gauge? They are looking alike, but the only difference is in the mortise gauge, instead of 1 pin, you have 2 pins. So one is fixed pin, the other one is movable pin. So with the help adjusting these pins, you can mark the two lines of the mortise at same time. See. So we have marked two lines in one time. So after marking, next you have to mortise, means with the chisel. There are different type of chisels. So these are the farmer chisels. You see the blade is flat and this is a mortise chisel. This wedge angle is more. So first, with the help of mortise chisel, you have to remove the wood material, and after preparing the rough hole with the help of different dimensions of farmer chisel, you will smoothen the sides of the hole. So this is the function of chisel, and this chisel is used along with the mallet. So mallet is there to apply hammering force. So sir will show you how you will create different holes and size them, and depending on the place and the dimension, you will get all the figures, that is slot, notch, tenon and mortise. So I hope you can understand how to use these tools and how to prepare these parts for preparing different joints. So we will send you the diagram and the notes on different carpentry tools which are used to prepare this job. And I will show you the demonstration of preparation and old jobs, so that you will have a rough idea. When you will come, you will use these tools and prepare your job.